I'm Giulia Varotto. I'm an Italian neuroscientist, and currently I'm working in the Laboratory for Clinical Neuroscience in the Center for Biomedical Technology of the UPM of Madrid. My main topic of research has been in the field of epilepsy. More or less 30% of patients with epilepsy that can't be cured with medication, that are drug resistant. And for this patient, at the moment, the only therapeutical strategy that we have is surgical intervention. For most of these patients, we need invasive procedure to record data. By analyzing this data, we can localize the epileptogenic zone, which is the main problem that we have today. This takes a long time, is very expensive, and is a strong subjective procedure. My most recent project was aimed at developing advanced novel methods to create an automatic tool able to detect the epileptogenic zone from very short fragment of data, the first few minutes of recording. To do this, we work with novel methods that belongs to two big families. One is complex network analysis, and the other is advanced machine learning and AI techniques. Complex network, why? Because now it's well known that epilepsy is a network disease. And not only epilepsy, but we know that our brain in general doesn't work with separated areas involved, specialized to do something, but most of the functions require complex integration and communication between these areas. And also pathology, like epilepsy, we know now that is linked with alteration of this mechanism of communication between the whole brain. So we have several methods analyzing the synchronization between the areas and also extracting more synthesized information like graph theory analysis that allows to quantify the way all the areas are interconnected among each other. And then with machine learning techniques, we can develop methods for recognition, automatic recognition of those areas that are responsible for seizure generation, so that needs to be removed from the other areas. We use these recordings and these patients to also analyze electrophysiological response to certain cognitive functions like memory or emotion perception. And we analyze with the same methods of signal processing, complex network analysis, so behavior and communication between different regions, to also understand better our basic physiological cognitive functions. So not only the pathology, but our normal physiological brain behavior. I think that neuroscience is the first modern science that communicate and work with all humanities. What we research as scientists is something that for centuries has been the research of philosophers, artists, religions too, so with our memory, our emotions, our consciousness. And I think that is the most fascinating aspect that nowadays as scientists we can study because it's huge, interested, and it touches something deep of our being.